Obamacare is kind of a small piece of kind of an overall arc in a change in medical care, and I think it's a very complex problem. In fact, it's many problems, and I think Obamacare is really only one small part of that, and it's kind of a step along the way. So I don't think we're going to see clear solutions out of this problem, but it's a key big step.
I would hope that all of them have insurance. That way they don't end up in situations where patients are in the emergency room. If the patient had insurance and they were well maintained and taken care of prior to, then they wouldn't end up costing the system more.
Some of the concerns I have are whether our healthcare system is ready, well equipped enough, or has enough doctors to take care of all of these new patients who are going to be coming into the system. I know even as a med student that it can be very overwhelming. There are a lot of sick people, and everyone does need the care.
I think the Affordable Care Act was the best possible program we could have gotten. The Affordable Care Act will allow people without insurance to get their insurance and to have better health care than they would have. What I am concerned about is that the Act also decreased support for residency programs around the country, and that we may have trouble expanding the number of residencies that we will probably need in the future.
As a med student, we're already starting to see patients who are uninsured at our free clinics, and we're starting to see them very much waiting for the ACA to roll out, and that's something that they're very much looking forward to. So I think that primarily what I'm looking forward to for the ACA is increasing access to care for people who don't have insurance and who often are the sickest and who often need the most access to health care.
I think Obamacare is necessary so the cost of health care in the future will be controlled, because right now it's just out of control. I'd rather pay for somebody's insurance premium versus their hospitalization.
So the ACA is the first step in a long time in this country to try and get health care to everybody that needs it. It's not perfect, I think we all know that, but I think it's a step in the right direction, something that needs to be done. We got to start somewhere.